Another day, another story. The Nirav Modi banking scam, also known as the Punjab National Bank (PNB) scam, was a complex case of financial fraud that unfolded in India in early 2018. The scam involved jeweler and diamond merchant Nirav Modi, his uncle Mehul Choksi, and certain officials of the Punjab National Bank, one of India's largest state-owned banks. Here is a detailed description of the Nirav Modi banking scam. 1. Modus operandi: Nirav Modi's companies, including his flagship firm Firestar Diamond International, allegedly colluded with PNB officials to fraudulently obtain credit facilities. The scam involved the issuance of fraudulent letters of undertaking, LOUs, which are bank guarantees used to raise credit from overseas branches of Indian banks. 2. Unauthorized LOUs: the scam began several years prior to its discovery when PNB officials issued LOUs on behalf of Nirav Modi's companies without following proper procedures or maintaining necessary collateral. These unauthorized LOUs were issued to overseas banks, allowing Nirav Modi's companies to raise funds without immediate repayment obligations. 3. Shell companies and inflated invoices: to further facilitate the fraud, Nirav Modi's companies allegedly created a network of shell companies. Funds raised through the fraudulent LOUs were diverted to these shell companies through a complex web of transactions. Inflated invoices were created to justify the fund transfers and to make it appear as if legitimate transactions were taking place. 4. Bypassing the core banking system: one crucial aspect of the scam was that the fraudulent LOUs were not recorded in PNB's core banking system, allowing the transactions to remain undetected for an extended period. Instead, the LOUs were issued through a parallel messaging system, which enabled them to bypass the regular banking channels and escape scrutiny. 5. Exposure and unraveling: the scam came to light in January 2018 when PNB discovered that unauthorized LOUs had been issued to Nirav Modi's companies. The bank detected fraudulent transactions amounting to over $2 billion. PNB lodged a complaint with the Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI), India's premier investigating agency, and the Enforcement Directorate (ED), responsible for enforcing economic laws in the country. 6. Investigation and implications: investigations by the CBI and ED revealed the extent of the fraud and the involvement of several PNB officials. It was found that the scam had been ongoing for several years, with multiple fraudulent LOUs issued and funds siphoned off. The investigations also revealed the collusion between Nirav Modi's companies and PNB officials. 7. Fugitives and extradition efforts: before the scam was exposed, both Nirav Modi and Mehul Choksi left India. They are currently facing legal proceedings and have been declared fugitives by Indian authorities. Nirav Modi was arrested in London in March 2019 and is fighting extradition to India. Mehul Choksi was arrested in Dominica in May 2021 while attempting to flee to Antigua and Barbuda. 8. Impact and reforms: the Nirav Modi banking scam led to significant repercussions in India. It raised questions about the robustness of banking systems, regulatory oversight, and the role of auditors. The incident highlighted the need for stricter adherence to banking protocols and stronger mechanisms to detect and prevent fraud. The Indian government and regulatory bodies have since taken steps to strengthen banking regulations and enhance supervision to prevent such scams in the future. It is important to note that my knowledge cutoff is in September 2021, so there may have been further developments in the case since then. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe, and comment down the topics for videos.